these magpies are going to keep eating all of the monkey nuts that I put out there. Instantly, as soon as I come away from there, look at them. They're straight in. Leave some for the squirrels. Smashing his beak in there as hard as he can. One of them's always just like smashing it with his beak, trying to eat it there and then. And his mate, the other one, just comes along and just picks him up and flies off with him. There you go, his mate's just come back. Oh. Because I think he gets annoyed with him because he just keeps coming over, picking them up and flying off with them, and I don't know where he's going with them. But this one, he's trying to eat them. He's trying to break his way in and eat them now. Then he just keeps flying back in, this one. And away he goes. And this one, oi, don't take my monkey nuts. They're my monkey nuts. Let's see, he's going to come flying back again. There's like 4 or 5 left. He's still pecking away at that one. Any second now. There you go. I'm flying in. And off he goes. Oh, he was just up on the outhouse bit there. But I put them out there because I wanted the squirrels to get some. But the magpies are just being greedy. He's flown off with that one. So I think there's 1 or 2 left there. I don't know if they're going to come back for him. Or maybe they'll leave them for the squirrels now. Is he going to come back? Yeah, here he is. There's literally, I think there's 1 or 2 left there. He's looking for the other guy because he's like, hey, where's he gone? Is he going to come out of nowhere and attack me or something? No, I think that was it. I think that was all of them. I think what's left there is just the shells now. Let's zoom in a bit more. But I think, yeah, there's just shells there now. So he's wandering around. And his mate's come back and he's like, where's more food? We need more. And he's like, no, you've been flying off with them all. Look at him. How many more do you want? I'll give it like 10 minutes and then I'll put some more out there. Because I really want the squirrels to get some. Because there's been about three or four different squirrels that have been coming in the garden this morning. And they've been scurrying around looking for stuff in the grass. But these magpies, they just take everything. They've got their food up there. I've got 2 of those. And a little plant pot there full of water for them. And they're still greedy. They still want more.